At Precision Air, our people are our interface to our customers.
Our company is always growing, and we are constantly in search of the best and the brightest.
We're looking for people that are looking for a long-term career in the heating and air conditioning business, and we're looking to present an environment that is going to allow them to grow, be educated, and continue to get challenged.
If you're out there and you're interested, drop us a line. We'd be happy to talk to you about what your needs are and how you can fit into our family in order to grow our business and take care of our current customers.